While a systematic discrimination against Shias in Pakistan and illegally occupied regions of POK and Gilgit-Baltistan is known to all, the horrific incident of brutal killing of 11 coal miners in Balochistan has shaken the conscience of people and observers around the territories. People in Gilgit and Muzaffarabad held demonstrations to condemn the Pakistan establishment, which they say has either been complicit or culpable in the systematic killings of Shias across the length and breadth of region under Pakistan's control.
These people holding banners demanding justice are the most discriminated people under Pakistan's illegal control. Shia, an Islamic denomination which finds itself in minority, has been systematically targeted over the years by invaders, Sunni fundamentalists, and now the Pakistani establishment. The recent killing of 11 Hazara coal miners was the recent chapter in their systematic elimination. People in Muzaffarabad say they have been unable to come to terms with the extrajudicial killings of Shias that are tacitly supported by Islamabad.
हमेशा हमारे लोगों की लाशें बिछाई गई, हमेशा हमारे लोगों को टारगेट किया गया। क्या कसूर है हमारे लोगों का कि हमेशा आप हमें टारगेट करते हो, हमेशा हमारे लोगों का कत्ल करते हो। ये वो कौम नहीं है कि जो बम साथ बांध के इदारों के दफ्तरों में घुसती है और पाकिस्तान के जवानों को शहीद करती है। ये बहुत पुरअमन कौम है। इस कौम का इतना ख्याल कीजिए कि इसको बिला वजह मरने से बचाइए, इनके गले काटने का मामला बंद करवाइए। आपके हाथ में है सब कुछ, आपके इख्तियार में है सब कुछ।
Another region under Pakistan's illegal occupation, Gilgit-Baltistan, which was once dominated by Shia population, has met an even brutal assault on their ethnicity and identity. Locals say Islamabad has been systematically altering their demography in the region. Their claims have been supported by extensive research work carried out by a number of organizations. In a recent study conducted by the Law and Society Alliance, a think tank, the population of Gilgit-Baltistan is now approximately 1.5 million, with around 39% Shia, 27% Sunni, 18% Ismaili, and 16% Noor Bakshi. Shia in Gilgit-Baltistan constituted more than 80% of population in 1948.
आज नहीं बल्कि 2013 से अब तक मुसलसल वहाँ के जो हज़ारा बरादरी है, जो शिया कम्युनिटी से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं, उनकी नस्लकुशी हो रही है।
ये जो वाक़या बलूचिस्तान मच के मकाम पे हुआ है, इंतहाई दिलसोस, दिलखराश और इंतहाई जुल्म बर्बरियत का जो तारीख़ रकम हुआ है कि 11 निहत्ते पुरअमन मासूम कानकुन जो अपने घर के अफराद की किफ़ालत के लिए मजदूरी में मशगूल थे, उनका न किसी सियासत से ताल्लुक़ था, न किसी पार्टी से, न किसी ऐसे मामले से जिससे इलाके के माहौल को, अमन को नुकसान या ख़तरा पहुँचता। उन लोगों को इस कदर सफ़ाकाना ज़ालिमाना अंदाज में कत्ल करके, उनको ज़बह करके उनके साथ जुल्म करना, ये इंसानियत के मुँह पे तमांचा है।
The locals have agitated, protested, and frequently raised demands seeking constitutional and political rights. Their demands, however, have been muzzled with brute force. Voices for rights in Gilgit-Baltistan are suppressed by law enforcement agencies, and the nationalist leaders are subjected to torture and imprisonment. In order to tighten its grip on the region, Islamabad has arbitrarily decided to give it a provisional status of a province. Observers say this might be the beginning of the end of Gilgit-Baltistan and its people.